to my kitchen. It's coming up to Easter, so I'm going to share with you my Rainbow Easter Cheesecake recipe. So let's get stuck in. For this recipe today, I need 250 grams of crushed biscuits, 150 grams of melted butter, 3 teaspoons of gelatine powder, 1.5 tablespoons of boiling water, 500 grams of cream cheese, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste, 300 ml of whipped thickened cream, and some liquid food colouring. I have lightly greased my mini cheesecake tin. Now for the base, I'm just going to mix together the crushed biscuits and the butter and then press that into the base of the mini cheesecake tin. Now these bases are going into the fridge while I make the rest of the cheesecake. Now I'm going to mix the gelatine and the boiling water together, give that a good mix and then set it aside to cool. The cream cheese and the sugar is going into this mixer and I'm going to beat them until they're light and fluffy. Now for the vanilla, I'm going to give that a good mix in and then slowly add the gelatine. Now that is well combined, I'm going to fold in the cream and then divide the mixture into 4 and start adding the colours. Now the colour layers that I want to make are pink, green, yellow and purple, so I'm going to add a few drops of food colouring in each just to get those colours. I've popped all those colours into individual piping bags. A sneaky little tip when using piping bags, use a tall glass and that will hold them in place while you're filling it and while you're waiting to use it. Now these colours are going to be laid onto the bases. I'm going to pop these ones in the fridge for 3 hours and then to finish them off I'm going to top them with some whipped cream and some mini eggs. And that's it, they're all done. I have managed to cover myself with food colouring, but those little rainbow cheesecakes are definitely worth it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time with another Easter baking video. Bye.